Hello Slingshot owners, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have some colored accents for the Thermal R&D exhaust systems. As you may know, we launched two black ceramic coated catback exhaust systems from Thermal R&D back in 2019. Well, since then, those become the top two selling Slingshot exhaust systems on our website, and the reviews have been outstanding, with one 5-star review after another and with overwhelmingly positive feedback. Now, I think it's safe to say that colored accents are an extremely popular mod for the Slingshot, which is why Thermal R&D has introduced a bunch of new color options to give your thermal exhaust system a pop of color. So for those of you with the Sport exhaust system, we originally launched this system with the red, black, or wrought inserts. But now you have a slew of additional color options to match your Slingshot's color profile. So to swap out your Sport exhaust inserts, simply remove the hardware holding the existing exhaust inserts in place, and install your new colored inserts with the color matched hardware provided. Now, for those of you with our touring exhaust system, we now offer a pair of colored accents that also act as a heat shield for both the left and right side exhaust tips. Now, these heat shields are also available in a wide range of different colors to match your Slingshot's color profile, giving your sling a unique look once installed. So to install the touring system heat shield, simply remove these two T40 torque screws and install the heat shield with the new color match hardware provided. And then just repeat for the other side. Now, if adding a little pop of color to your thermal exhaust system is on your Slingshot's mod list, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today, or click that link in the description below to grab a step for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date with everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon, signing out. Until next time.